right, let's talk about something that feels straight out of sci-fi: nuclear fusion. But hold up, I'm not talking about powering spaceships or creating miniature suns in your basement. I'm talking about how nuclear fusion could totally change the way we build things right here on Earth. First off, fusion is different from fission. Instead of splitting atoms like in regular nuclear plants, fusion smashes them together, like forcing two puzzle pieces into one. This releases a ton of energy, and the best part? It's clean. No long-lived radioactive waste, and the fuel, usually isotopes of hydrogen, is super abundant. So, what does this mean for construction and engineering? Imagine a world where energy isn't a limiting factor. With fusion-powered grids, energy costs could drop dramatically. That's a game changer for construction sites, especially for energy-hungry processes like making steel and concrete. Right now, these industries account for a huge chunk of global carbon emissions. Fusion could make it possible to produce materials without pumping tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. And here's where it gets wild. Fusion reactors themselves are pushing the boundaries of design and material science. To handle the insane heat and neutron bombardment, engineers are developing new alloys, ceramics, and even self-healing materials. These innovations could trickle down to everyday construction, making buildings tougher, more resilient, and maybe even self-repairing. Think about modular buildings popping up anywhere, powered by compact fusion units. Remote communities, disaster zones, even lunar or Martian colonies. Suddenly, building in extreme environments doesn't sound so impossible. With virtually limitless energy, we could 3D print structures on site, recycle building waste instantly, or power giant robots that build skyscrapers in weeks instead of years. Now, I get it. Fusion isn't here yet. We're still working on making it practical and affordable. But the progress is real. Projects like ITER in France and the growing number of startups are getting closer every year. The breakthroughs happening in fusion are already sparking new ideas in engineering, shaping how I, and maybe you, think about the future of building. So, next time you see a crane or a construction site, imagine what could happen when fusion energy finally joins the toolbox. The future of building isn't just about bricks and beams. It's about harnessing the power of the stars right here on Earth, on Chile.